Hey everyone. So, you don't need a full face of heavy makeup to look like you just got back from holiday. Honestly, seriously. Ugh. So today I'm going to be showing you bronzer only face. Yes, this is what I do when I want to look warm, fresh, awake, without piling stuff on my skin. I will, however, be using a tiny touch of concealer, probably on the inner corner of the eyes. Now, if bronzer has ever scared you because you're not sure where it goes, or you'll think it's going to look muddy or orange, this is going to be super simple, I promise. So first up, start with skin, because this is about skin. Now, I'm going to be using Tursian Y4 as my pre-makeup moisturizer. Now, I've talked about Tursian, but this stuff is epic. The hydration it gives you, the smooth skin feel it gives your skin some bounce that the makeup will just look glorious on. If your skin is feeling dry, if you're noticing more lines, more wrinkles, or your skin just feels weakened, or it's just not holding on to moisture the way it normally does, this stuff will support everything. This product combined with a couple other from Tursian transformed my skin when I was using a high strength retinoid. It's amazing. The whole purpose here is that the bronzer doesn't catch onto the skin. You want this moisturized base that's going to be treating your skin, and that's what this does. It's just wicked. So now the skin is moisturized and heavenly. Now for the bronzer. Now I'm going to be using Victoria Beckham here because I'm fancy, and a bit of Nars as well. Now the biggest mistake I see people do with bronzer is that they just put it everywhere, right? Don't do that. Place it where the sun would naturally hit you. So across your forehead, the temples, softly on the cheeks, a little bit across the bridge of the nose. You get the gist. This is what's going to give you that believable, just back from holiday warmth. That's what you want. Also, I'm going to be using a combination here of creams and powders, because I can. Oh, one thing, take a tiny bit as well across your eyelids. Not too much, but just enough so that the whole face kind of ties together. And don't forget your neck, because your neck has to, well, you know, look like it belongs to you. Remember, the goal here is not to look super sculpted. No. The goal is to look healthy. So if you're nervous, just use less. You'll be fine, I promise. Now, when everything's done, with a clean brush or a sponge, just blend the edges. That's what's going to make your skin look like skin. Okay, so when everything is done and set and you're looking glorious, next I'm going to go in with Tursian again, but this is the P2 Hydration Activator Energizing Toner, and I'm just going to spritz this on the face. This beats any traditional setting spray ever, because this is the finishing step, right? This will bring back bounce, hydration, it brings life back to the skin. And when you put makeup on, sometimes the life can be taken away. This brings it back, but with skincare benefits. Your skin feels rough or uneven or dull, this is going to help it. And especially if you've got a weakened skin barrier, this is your friend. It's going to make it more calm, comfortable, and just, well, more glorious. Plus, I think when you're using powders as well on top of creams, it can get a bit powdery and flat, and this just, you know, makes it look better. And that's really the whole point of this. Less makeup, more glow, more confidence, and more skin that looks like skin. You don't need 10 products here. You just need the right placement, a bit of blending, and skin that looks, well, like skin. So there you go. Use less, place it only where the sun would hit, blend it out, and let your skin do the rest. That's how I fake gorgeous, beautiful, stunning holiday skin in minutes. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you all soon. Information in the description bar. Bye-bye.